What's up, guys? Back with another break. Got a 2018 Bowman Hi-Tech. 10 cards, 4 on-card autos. Obviously, trying to hit some of the bigger rookies would be the preferable thing. Oops. All right. See what we get. So I've never opened this product before. There we go. I like the look of the cards, for the most part. Sometimes it can be a little disorienting. Alright. So, here we go, right on top too. Alex Verdugo, rookie. Brendan Rodgers. Ryan Blade. Oh, here comes first autograph. Juan Guzman, or excuse me, Jorge Guzman. Inscribed at 28. Never heard of him as red. I think that's numbered. Yep. Oh, wow. Numbered to 10. Not his rookie, though. So I don't know if that guy's any good or not. There we go. Number to 10. We'll see. Jake Burger. I've heard of him before. I think he's supposed to be pretty good. I think. Third baseman for White Sox, it looks like. Pretty good signature. Adam Halsley. Signature's pretty horrific. Hopefully I haven't been holding her. And the last auto is Evan White. Never heard of him. Evan White, first baseman. Oh, look at there. Got a bonus auto. Evan White, first baseman. That's pretty cool. Kingston Herrera for second baseman for the Brewers. That's pretty cool. So an extra auto in there. 5 autos. And Hubert Ruiz and Jesus Sanchez. Doesn't look like that one's numbered. Alright, so I think the Jake Burger was pretty good, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not familiar with any of the other ones, so I don't know for sure. I got the Guzman numbered to 10. You know, if this guy's any good, and obviously that's probably the best hit. Like I said, I think I've heard of Jake Burger. He's a power hitting third baseman. So that's probably the 2 best. Unless those other guys are good, I just don't know. But anyway, there we go. So thanks for watching. Till next time, have a good one. Peace.